What's going on, you guys? So I just got my fresh package from the crab place. And I wanted to do a comparison of what you guys can probably get locally versus what you guys can get shipped to you fresh and direct. Check it out, let's go. What? All right, you guys, so we went to the local store, and this is what we got. Extra large shrimp, some sea scallops, 2 of the biggest lobster tails I could find in the grocery store, some oysters, jumbo lump crab, sea scallops, and a pound of snow crab. All this, $154. Remember that.